heavy it says. So I'm gonna go up there and try to race some of them. They got who else they got up there? They got I knew it was supposed to be a 4-car shootout. I forgot the name of the cars they're supposed to be there. I don't know, but they said the track looks like it's gonna be good tonight. I'm trying to get on out there so I don't miss nothing. Out the way. Everybody move. Look at that baby Junior. Oh, the track look alright. Got a lot of little cars there. Some cool mine up in there though. Got an Impala SS. Dang. RIP Solo. That's the name. That's the what's on the license plate. RIP Solo, my friend. See, he for real. Solo must have been a good person, man. Had to be. Oh, he trying to give it a little gas. I wonder if he got something in there. I wonder which way he go. Left or right? Left or right? Oh yeah, I got him. I got him. Pretty much today they got a whole bunch of supposed to be a little shootout going on. Got blackjack up here, got all kind of little cars on top of that, got Teslas. They said it's a whole bunch of holding Caprices, all kind of stuff. We got Trey Dam M3 in the building, y'all. Man, we got everybody showing up. You know it's a good little day. Good little day, man. Oh snap, I forgot y'all was looking. I ain't mentioned this. Alright. We're gonna see what they talking about these hoes. See if it's some holders here. Hey, what a Holdings at?
What?
What a Holdings at? They down there?
What?
All the Holdings.
The Holding or station?
The cars. The cars, all the
Your
the
racing,
G8s,
right?
yeah.
Yeah, you go right through the trailers right here.
Yeah.
You'll see them all right there behind the fence.
Okay, I'm finna go. Appreciate it, man. Let's see what's going on over there. bricks in here.